This video, I will show you how to post on Google Community app and get answer for any Google products and services fast without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app. Proceed with your profile. Click on Manage your Google account. Then scroll down right here. Click on App. So if you cannot find anything that related to the solution to a particular problem you are looking for, the next thing to do is to post the help to the community for help. Scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on post to the help community right here. Get answer from community member. Let's go to take you right here. How can the community help? Short summary of your issue right here. That is the title of the issue you are having with your Google profile. Explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. Explain in detail right here. Bear in mind, do not include private or confidential information such as credit card number and some other privacy and credential information. Do not include it in whatever you are trying to post to the community, because the community is open to everyone in Google service. You can as well attach the screenshots of the issue you have with your Google account or product and services. Click on this image icon right here. This will redirect you to your phone gallery. Select the picture related to the issue you have, or better still, you can copy a link right here where you upload the picture to your Google Drive. Get the link and copy it and paste it right here. Then select your category right here. Access account and recovery, account privacy security, account setting and management, Google for family, as the case may be. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead, and then when you fill up the first stage, click on next right here. You have about 4 different stages before you can finally confirm your post. Follow along with all the steps and your issue will be posted to the Google community, and you start getting response from different people around the world, and people that are likely to have the similar issue you have with your Google account. They will give you an instant solution to whatever issue you have with your Google account. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.